Hello everyone, welcome back to Zolani'S, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, it's the end of season 5 with the river, and of course, as expected, it always ends in tears for Lindiwe. This time he lost a partner in crime, Zolani Otujule Umabutho, trying to defend himself as they were following him ngecala lokulimaza uZweli. Umabutho ubhekise isibhamu ngakibo, and Zolani catched the bullet and died on the scene. Zolani guys died after receiving the good news yokuthi uKhwezi is pregnant and it's Zolani's baby. We were hoping for a happy, beautiful family, but the writers decided otherwise. Rest in peace, our Zolani. You really did justice to your character, and for that, you will always be in our heart. The river will never be the same without you. That brings us to the end of this video and to the end of season 5 of The River. Do leave your comment below, and let's bid farewell to an amazing character, Zolani. Bye.